Hi, I'm Nick.
I'm Carlos.
Hi, I'm Chris.
Oh, hey, I'm Gabe.
We are mechanical engineering students at San Jose State University here in California, working on our senior project.
We're building a heavy-lift quadcopter that we decided to call Incredible Hulk. Hulk is a UAV capable of lifting a 50-pound payload while flying autonomously.
Hulk will also be able to autonomously deliver and retrieve cargo.
As students at San Jose State, we have almost every resource we can think of to build Hulk. We have access to various labs in the engineering department, such as the mechatronics lab, as well as the engineering testing and measurements lab. We also have access to 2 machine shops. The engineering department also has a computer lab with the latest CAD software including Creo, SolidWorks, and Inventor. In addition, campus is located just 2 blocks away from the San Jose Tech Shop, which has a full machine shop including lathes, mills, and metalworking equipment. Through Tech Shop, we also have access to laser cutters, CNC mill, and a water jet cutter.
During the development of this product, we found that there is almost no information available on off-the-shelf rotor blades, such as for RC helicopters. So we had to build this test rig, which is measuring the torque and lift, as well as RPM of a given set of blades at its range of angles.
As you can see, we've already put a lot of work and money into this project. Testing has allowed us to nearly complete our design. We've identified the materials and parts required to complete Hulk. There's only one thing missing, and that's where you come in. We are estimating that Hulk will cost, at a bare minimum, $7,500. This covers engines, raw materials, electronics, and mechanical components. As students, this is in fact our most significant challenge to completing this project. With your backing, we will be able to purchase all of our components to build Hulk. We hope that you'll consider supporting our project. Thanks for watching.